Hey everybody, I'm Derek Crane and this is Workout Wednesday. Today I'm going to give you a workout to do on your own. This is a phenomenal workout to be able to build the glutes, build the quads, build your endurance. It's more of a high intensity interval training workout, the HIIT kind of program, metabolic conditioning, heart rate's going to go up. So going right into this, what we're going to do is I'm going to go over the format, 3 rounds of 10 jumping lunges, 15 burpees, 20 jumping lunges, 25-second plank hold, 30 jumping lunges, 35 mountain climbers, 40 jumping lunges. In between each round, you're going to do a 30-second rest between rounds, get right back into it. So now what I'm going to do is go over each movement. For the jumping lunges, what you're going to do, you're going to jump and then switch position. Nice and light on the ball of the feet, landing nice and light, full extension up at the top. So going through 10. 1 equals 1 on that. The reps on that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, until you get to 10. Going over the burpees, dropping down to the ground, kick back into plank, push up, bringing the feet up to the hands, jumping up. So a little bit faster. Until you get to 15 burpees on that, going right into 20 jumping lunges, going into 25-second plank hold. Down onto the elbows, holding this for 25 seconds. Right into 30 jumping lunges, right into 35 mountain climbers. Upright plank. What you're going to do is bring the knee into the chest, coming back, other knee in. Nice and fast there. On that, you can go as quick as you can until you get to 35. 40 jumping lunges, rest 30 seconds, hitting another round. Rest 30 seconds, hitting your final round. Go ahead and post below in the comments how you felt about this workout, what you noticed in the workout. Also, definitely check out our Fit 22 program, which is all based upon high intensity interval training. So many profound benefits of doing those kind of workouts. We've created an entire program designed around that methodology. Definitely check out that program. You're going to see fast results in only 22 minutes a day. Getting more benefits than an hour workout within 22 minutes and only using your body weight, you will see phenomenal results. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Definitely hit that like, that subscribe button. Check out our other videos. See you guys in the next video.